Hey friends, if you wish to install device drivers manually on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar, open Device Manager, expand the list for drivers. If the driver is present here, well and good, else click on Actions, Scan for hardware changes. Right click on the driver, select Update Driver and update the driver. Now this will install the driver manually, and if the driver is not present, then you will have to go to the website where you can get the drivers. Okay, let's say drivers. Okay, so let's say I wish to install the Canon drivers on my system. I will download them and I will install them on my system. Okay, so this is how you can download and install drivers that are not already present on your system, and if they're already on your system, then you can update them manually. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.